Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing today? So, remember the last time I was on trading? I think that was last week, Friday, I believe. I was letting you guys know that good morning, good morning, good morning. Oops. How are you guys doing today? So, my bad. All right, there we go. So, I just wanted to come on here and, while I'm waiting on a potential setup in my pocket option account, to just let you guys know what I know. Are you ready to hear what I know about my Forex funds? Okay, so I was waiting on AUD, EU, and UJ. So AUD USD came, EUD, EURUSD came. So I'm gonna go over to my pocket option and I'm gonna take a sell on AU and a sell on EU. I don't know if it's gone through. The internet is a bit dodgy, so I hit the button. I don't see any change. Let me go to open trades. Nope. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that button again right now. Let me refresh. So yeah, I was waiting on price to come to where I wanted the alert to go off for me to enter for sales for AUD USD and EUR USD. And it's not, honestly, I really shouldn't even be trading anymore. But it's all good. I already made my goal for the day. So yeah, I've been trading. It's more than this, but it's not reflecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, you can see here. Oh, thank you, Nelly. My bad. I wasn't sharing my screen. Thank you so much. All right, let's go again. So yeah, I've been trading prior to getting on here, but I was like, oh yeah, let me come on and tell you guys, because I know the last time I was on Friday, I said that September 11th, which was yesterday, my Forex funds was supposed to be going to court. So I don't think I had shown you what things look like when you log into my Forex funds, but I'm gonna show you now. You can see the message, and that's the only correspondence that I have. I'm in their Discord. I haven't even been in there to see if anything has been said. But when you log in, when you attempt to log in and see your dashboard and see what's going on, all you can see is the same message. Okay, come on, internet, don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Oh, okay. Brian and David, you're here as well. Okay, here it is. My Forex funds, traders. Yesterday, we learned that without prior notice or discussion, a provincial securities regulator in Canada and the commodities regulator in the United States issued orders preventing us from trading securities or accessing funds in our bank accounts. Until these freeze orders are lifted or modified, our business is effectively and at least temporarily frozen as well. We will be reaching out to the regulators to discuss their concerns, and the first court date to determine whether the freeze orders should be lifted or modified is currently scheduled for September 11 in the US, with another hearing later that same week in Canada. We hope to have this matter resolved as soon as possible and will update this message as events occur. So it clearly states they will update the message as events occur. So on Sunday when I did my live stream, I did say that I don't have high hopes based on things that I've heard people say. I've seen people talking about it on YouTube on their channels, and it just seems like it's just dead. And here it is. Today is September 12th. There is no update. So, you know, um, yeah. So um I was looking to get into AU and EU for cells. Let me go ahead and refresh here. Just make sure that the bias is the same. Yes, AUD is weaker than USD. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in for the sell on AU. I don't know why I've hit the button so many times. So let me hit it one more again. All right, now it's in. So look at open trades. I have the one trade open, and currently it's green up here, which means that it is below my entry point, even though looking here it doesn't appear that way. But my internet in this new place I am, um there've been some issues in the neighborhood I've been working on, right? So how I decided to get into AU for the sell, and I wanted to get into EU for the sell as well. Okay, so now it's gone above. So I need it to come back below. This is binary options, guys. This is a time-based style of trading, and I'm in it for 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes from my entry point, which was here, I need price to do its song and dance if that's what it needs to do. But then I need it to come below this red line and stay below. It could be way down. It could be right here. I just need it to be below my entry point because I'm in and I'm speculating based on my analysis, which I did. I used currency strengths. I used forexfactory.com to check news. There was no news. And I went to TradingView. I went on the 15 minutes and the hour, went to my line chart, and I looked for a ceiling because I wanted to sell this previous floor via ceiling. I wanted to sell here. So, well, this is AUD. Let's go to AUD. Why is it not moving? All right. So yeah. I was waiting on USD to pull back here for me to get in for the buy. USD did not pull back, but AUD and EU are pulled back. So it actually went a little bit above. So I'm just waiting right now. Um, Anybody have any questions? I'm not gonna be on here too long. As I said, I already did my trading for the day. I've been up since like 4 o'clock this morning. Um, so yeah, I started this account with $50 on Monday, last week Monday, and now I'm up to 77, but well, 76.14 here because I'm risking $1 on this trade. Payout is 84%. So if I clear this trade, I will make another 84 cents, I'm just taking my time. In the past, I've made money in here and I've pulled it out, but I'm just going to work with this pocket option account for a while, grow it, and I do 15 minutes, guys. I do 15 minutes because my heart can't take it. My heart can't take it. Being in for 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And that's how I started out. And it was just like, if EU comes back, let me see. Maybe I can get into EU as well. Let me see. All right, so what time is it? 8:39. Okay. Um, EU and AU. Do I dare get into EU? EU is shooting up. That means AU probably shooting up. Yeah. Yep. So I'm glad I didn't get into EU. When it stops, okay. When it stops shooting up, I'm gonna hit the double up. That's UJ. That's UJ. UJ pulled back down. Let me see. What did the currency strength say? All right. So I'm going to buy USD JPY. Hold on. All right. So there it is. I'm in UJ. So I'm in 2 trades. I will not be getting into any other trade. That's my rule. No more than 2. And also my goal was to make $75. Well, 74.52. My goal was to make 74.52 for today. So I was above that. So with me being in these two trades, well, I have one more trade that I can take. So I wanna at the very least stay within the range of what I'm supposed to be. So this is me doing bonus trades. I already made the money I'm supposed to make. Okay, UJ is back in profit. See, it's green, so that's in profit. Um, because I'm in it for a buy. See the green arrow pointing up. USD JPY paying out 65%. That is a little bit low for me. So since the arrow is pointing up means I need price to stay above this green line, the entry point. Um, it's teetering right now. Let's look at what AU is doing. All right, I need AU to come back down below this red line. I have until it comes to this vertical line here for it to get back below. I have 5 minutes and 45 seconds for AUD to come down. That's pretty good amount of time that's possible that it can do that for me. UJ, I have 12 minutes and 40 seconds. It needs to stay above. I patiently waited for you to come all the way down. So please reward my patience and go up. But yeah. Did this my forex funds debacle affect anybody watching? I had 2 accounts going with them. Not pleased at all. But yeah. Mm. If you want to learn more about currency strength, you can check out some of the videos that I have already on here. And actually, this past Sunday, I did a live stream. I was talking about currency strength, but normally I use livecharts.co and I use Finviz. This is Finviz right here. And I use Finviz. Those are my go-tos when it comes to binary options. However, for those of you who trade traditional forex, you want to look at the index for the currencies, and I have them in a list here. People who trade right now, the DXY is what you would look at. Here we go. The DXY will tell you the strength of the US dollar. People who trade at this time as well, they could be looking at the BXY. The BXY gives you the strength of the Great Britain pound. Here's the DXY. And depending on what type of trader you are, you may be looking at a different time frame. Like me, I'm more of a scalper, so I would be looking on the 15-minute time frame, right? But someone who will trade a longer term may be looking at the 4 hour, may be looking at the daily. When you look at it, you see the DXY. What do you see? You see higher highs, higher lows, right? When you see that, that means the dollar, the strength of the dollar is going up, it's getting stronger. That's what that means. So anything that you're trading with the dollar, if the dollar is the base currency, like USD JPY, the dollar is the base, the sentiment is, oh, I want to look for buys because the dollar strength is going up. The dollar is strong, If any currency pair has the US dollar as the quote, for example, NZD USD, then I'm going to look for sells because the US dollar is strong, right? And if you want to really understand that, you can go back and watch my video from this past Sunday. Okay. Uh, yeah, let's see. All right. USD JPY is staying above. Let's see. AU. AU needs to just go ahead and finish. I have 1 minute left in AU. Let's see if in this last minute it can do me a solid and come back down below this line here. If I win the trade, I'm going to get back the dollar I risked, plus I will make 84 cents. If I lose this trade, I will lose the dollar I risked. So the thing with binary options, you already know how much money you stand to lose or how much you stand to gain. Whereas with traditional Forex, the further into profit you go, the more pips you're gaining is the more money you make. And on the flip side, if you're in loss, the further in loss you go, the more money you're losing. So it's not predetermined. But the way that you can offset that is by using your lot size calculator and having your stop loss in place so that you can mitigate your risk, right? And I talk about that a lot. Can check any one of my risk management videos. All right, so I did not win this trade for AUD USD. Let's go and see what that looks like. Okay. So we'll go to closed trades and here it is. So $0. I risked $1, so that's what I have lost. And that's it. Yep. And I had a great streak going. This done messed it up. But like I said, my goal was to get to 74.52 for the day. And I'm still above that, right? I'm still above that. So as long as I'm above that, it's all good. Um, I'm going to be disciplined and stop if I don't clear this USD JPY. Let's see, I have 5 minutes and 45 seconds left for UJ. Let's see how she's looking. All right, she's doing wonderful. She's doing wonderful. She's doing great. So yeah, I just needed to stay above this green line because I'm in for a buy. In binary options, you may hear people say call. It also means buy. It also means you want price to go higher and stay above. All right. Let's look for another setup, which I will take only after I um secure my 65 cents. So I risked $1, so I'll get the dollar back plus the 65 cents. If I don't win the trade, I will lose $1. So yeah. Um I don't trade GBP when it comes to binary options. GBP, JPY is my absolutely favorite currency pair. I trade that religiously. We're like in a relationship, but that's for traditional forex trading. When it comes to binary options, I stay very far away from GBP because it moves so erratically. One moment I can be in profit and I'm like, oh yeah, I won this trade, and I blink my eyes and then I lost the trade. So um knowing that, I just stay away from GBP. Yeah. Um, do any of you have a favorite pair that you like to trade? You can drop it in the comments if you have a favorite. Yep, 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 yep. So I have my list of binary options pairs. Yeah, I need to just go ahead and remove GU and GJ. All right. So these really are the pairs that I trade: Euro JPY, AUD JPY, Euro USD, and USD JPY, and AUD USD. So those are my go-tos when it comes to binary options. And at nighttime, because I did start trading before I went to sleep last night. I normally go to bed at 9 o'clock, but I was up, so I actually traded around 10:30, 11 o'clock. And at that time, that's really when I like to trade the yen pairs or the Australian dollar, the Aussie pairs. Yeah. And that's all about knowing what the different markets are and when they're open. You get the best results in trading when you trade the markets when they're open. So you're gonna get the most volatility at that time, because as traders we love that movement. If things are not moving, we can't make money. We can't get the pips, we can't, we need that, so. And when you're on the 5 minute, that's when you can really see the movement. um yeah. What am I in, UJ? Okay. Oh, and look, so beautiful. How much time do I have left? I have 39 seconds. Woohoo! Okay. Um, I always say don't celebrate prematurely, but I think I can celebrate this. Unless some news event happened and it just went and just tanked, but I don't see that happening right now. I see me clearing this in 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clear. There you have it. And now you're gonna see the balance go up. There it is, 76, 79, which, I was at 77, but because I lost that one trade, it's all good. All right, so let me see if I can find something. Let me see if I can find another trade to get in. All right. I'm gonna look for AUD USD again for the sell. Uh, so it's already selling. What time is it? 8:57. So um came here, went back up, came here, went back up, came here. Uh I would say it's gonna go back up. uh but let me I would say it's gonna go back up. But I'm not gonna get into it for 15 minutes because it's not supporting my bias. That would be going against the trend. So it's a down trend. I'm to be looking for sells. So if I'm going to go against that, I'm not going to be going in there for 15 minutes. That's way too long. Um, so I'm going to change it to 2 minutes and I'm going to try and wait for 9 o'clock. Um, so let's go. All right. So 2 minutes and let's see. I'm going to wait for 9 o'clock. There are 33 seconds, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. It's already happening. Why does it say 15 minutes here? Didn't I just change the time? That's crazy. I want to go in for 2 minutes. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. That's one trade. This is going against the trend. So um sometimes on the hour, on the half hour, and on the 45, there can be a reversal. So that's why I said, oh, let me take it, but it may keep going down. Okay. So it's not doing the reversal. How much time do I have in here? I have a minute and 10 seconds. All right, so safe to say I'm going to lose this trade. But I'm still at my goal for the day. Okay. Wow. All right, so that's one win and two losses while I've been on here. And there it is. So I won this one trade. I lost this one. I lost this one. But it's all good. That's how it goes. Now it's I need to just be disciplined and not jump in. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me for today. I just wanted to tell you guys that my Forex fund still has not said anything. Um, but it's okay, you know. I'm going to find another prop firm to work with. I don't know which one yet. Whichever one it will be, it's not me endorsing it for you to use it saying, hey, Alifia said. That's not what that's means. But yeah, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I